The Search All Tabs extension brings the power of search engines to your browser. After installation, the extension adds a toolbar button to your browser. You can open up the pop-up to search for any content in one of your existing tabs. The extension uses the indexing method to find the most relevant content that matches the user query. Like all search engines, this extension supports most of the search operators like OR and, as well as others such as XOR and other advanced features that we'll go through within this tutorial. So let's have a look at some of the features. So as an example, I've opened up multiple different tabs from lots of different websites, all about lots of different things. So we can instantly start searching these. And we can see that it's indexed 32 different documents for it to pick up. So we can go ahead as an example and we can search for something such as Google. Now we can see all the results that are shown from Google in relation to the tabs that we currently have open, as well as some history in there as well. So here we can see we have lots of different results and it shows the matching percentage relating to that. So it's put this page as first with a 100% match, and we can go down the list and see all the matches related to that. Now we have the ability to condense this down further using advanced search queries. So for example, we can say it must contain the word Google and the name Steve. We can see that again, this has resulted now in 5 different options. We can go further and we can say that it must contain Google or the word Steve. So we can change this. And we can see that it picks up 10 results relating to this. Another option we can use is the exclusive OR function, which is XOR. This means that it will return results that contain either the word Google as Steve, but not both. So that condenses back down to 5. We can change the search ordering with the use of brackets. And we can also use for different things. So for example, we might look for the term Steve, but we want it within 10 letters of the word jobs. So we type near and type job. So it returns all aspects which have the word Steve and jobs within 10 letters of each other within the content within there. We can also use the search term ADJ for adjacent. This will return results where the term Google is within 10 words of the term jobs, but in the same order as in the query. So it has to be Steve first, then jobs, or we can flip it round so it becomes jobs and then Steve. Note that you can also combine your search operators with keywords too. So when it comes down to the searching, you can see there's a lot of different options available, but the features don't stop there. We can do something simple. For example, let's say we search for Google again. Now we could simply click the first option that we see or the second option, or any of these, to open up the tab that we want to open up, and it takes us there and it shows the content that is highlighted in relation to the search. But we can go a step further and we can look at some shortcuts available within the pop-up. So again, if we go ahead and type in Google, we can see the results here. So what we can go ahead and we can just press enter on our keyboard, and that will instantly take us to the first result which we've seen. Now we can actually type in shift and enter, and what that will do, it will create all the matching tabs and put them inside a new browser window. So shift and enter, and it goes ahead and puts them all inside the window as we see here. We also have the ability to use the command of control and then the number. So what this will do is take us to that result. So if we want to go to the third result on the list, we'd write control or command on our keyboard and then put 3. And this takes us to the third result on the list and highlights how this has been picked up. We also have the ability to copy links to the clipboard. So if, for example, we search here the term Google and it brings up all the results, and we want it to be Steve Jobs. Nothing matches here, so let's do Google or. And now we go ahead and we press Control and D. If we were to paste this somewhere, we can see that all relevant links are now inside my clipboard as well. So there really are a lot of different possibilities with this extension, and the fact that it indexes and then allows us to search means that it's very lightweight on our browser, and it's also great for privacy as well in terms of your search history and what you've been through previously, because nothing is stored anywhere.